Hello everyone, today we are going to talking about a guide to software testing methodologies. In software testing methodologies, we are talking about the first one, that is a manual testing. Manual testing involves human tester execution test cases step by step without any automated tools. We have to test every cases step by step manually, and in manual test cases it is greater for exploratory testing, where testing identify defects and usability issues without predefined scripts. There is no predefined script for manual testing. The process is the including early stage testing, and for usability assessment it is best. However, it can be time consuming and less efficient for repetitive tasks. For example, if we have to do one task more time, then we are going to talking about automated testing. Automated testing uses tools and script to automate test cases execution. If we have to do the testing repetitive, then we have to use the automated testing like automation tools. It is efficient for repetitive tasks, regression testing, and load testing. Pros includes faster text executions and consistent results. However, initial setup and script maintenance require time and expertise for the automation testing, but it is very efficient test. The third one, that is a black box testing. Black box testing focuses on functionality without examining internal code. In black box testing, we cannot know about the internal test codes. Tester design cases based on external specifications and requirements. It includes early testing and not needing knowledge of the code in black box testing. However, it may not uncover all the defects. Next one, that is a white box testing. Mostly dev do the white box testing. White box testing examines the internal codes, structures, and logic. Tester designs cases based on the knowledge of the source code. In it includes thorough testing and code level vulnerabilities assessment in white box testing. We can say that in white box testing it required accesses to the code and can be time consuming. The next one, that is a unit testing. The unit testing focuses on testing individual components in isolation. Most of the time, whenever the dev completed the development, he will do or she will do the unit testing. It includes early defect detection and faster debugging at the code level changes. He can defect or she can detect. Sorry. However, it doesn't test interactions between the units. They test only single units. And next to that is integration testing. In integration testing verifies interactions between the different module and components. You can say that if we have a two module, then we can test the interaction between both the modules in integration testing. It includes early detection of integration issues and validation of the data flow. If one flow is dependent to another, then we can detect the issue at integration testing once. However, it can be complex and it also a time consuming. That's why we are going for the system testing. System testing evaluates the entire software system. Software or system testing, it includes ensuring overall system quality and validating all the functionalities. However, late stage defect detection can be costly in that case. Next is regression testing. Regression testing, everyone knows, verifies that the new code changes don't introduce defects into previously tested parts. If we have tested all the parts previously, then we can test in the regression testing. There is no impact of the new code in previous test cases, and all the previous test cases runs smoothly and give constant results. It include maintaining software integrity in the regression testing, and however it requires a significant number of tests and can be time consuming because in every time we have to add the regression test cases in regression testing. The next one, that is a user acceptance testing, that is a UAT involves end user or stakeholder testing the software to validate its suitability for business needs, what product gives the requirement and what we get at the time of UAT. We can verify all these things in the UAT testing, and UATs include validating the software against the real business requirements. What are the requirements and what are the software made?